Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to recreate this eye look. It's a Valentine's Day look. It's very simple, very casual, and very easy to make. First thing is first, let's hydrate our eyes with our L'Oreal Eye Defense. Once that is dry, we're going to go in with our eye primer. Right now, the thing that I used on this eye was actually a concealer. This is the new L'Oreal Infallible Full Coverage Full Wear Concealer. It looks just like the Shape Tape Concealer by Tarte. It has the same spoolie, as you guys can see. Everything's basically the same. So I'm going to put a little bit on it, right? And then I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques sponge, and I'm going to blend that in. So I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Color Icon Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette. I love this palette. Here we go. These are the colors. I'm actually going to use that color right there first, which is color number 8. It's like a mauvey pink. I did my own nails. I'm practicing to do nails. So guys, wish me luck. So I'm going to go in with a Medallion 776. If you see my older videos, I like this brush. It's very I start over here, so you guys can see, because I have a hooded eye, so I kind of like to start a little bit above my crease so it won't look so droopy and ugly. I mean, I already have that problem, so I don't want to keep on adding to the problem, you guys know. So just blend, and I add some more going upwards because I want everything to go up. Now we're done with that palette. You guys can see some color already in my eyes. Now after that, I am actually going to go in with right across from it, which is number 4 right here. And I'm also going to use another brush. This is going to be the Coastal Scents BR250, same style of brush. I just like to use a different brush for that because why not? Why not? And then I put some on the outer corners. I focus more on the outer corners, and then I go inwards.
Right? It makes sense. Right?
Now if you guys can see my eyes, they kind of look about the same. So so far so good. There we go. Just add some more and just blend it in with the other one. And there we go. The other color that I apply over here in the outer corner was also the shade right next to this. This shade, I got this. I used color number 4. Now I'm using color number 3, which is like a burgundy. I use the Coastal Scents. I use the Coastal Scents BR250. This fluffy brush. I didn't want to put a lot because I didn't want it to be like looking different. As you guys can see, it's starting to get the color again. Didn't want my eyes to look a little bit different or whatever, so I don't want to step away from the Valentine's Day look. Alright, so as I was saying, we're gonna use the Earthy Vixen by Hard Candy palette, and we're gonna use the shade Blaze, which is this red shade right here. Let me show you guys better this shade right here. And we're gonna use a e.l.f. professional blending eye brush. I have this brush for like 5-6 years, God knows how long, and it just looks like this. I did my brush in there. I'm not even gonna pat it out, and I am literally on our outer lid, and we're gonna bring it all the way to the front. And that it. Take my E36 blending brush. We're going to go back into the other palette, the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, and we are going to take a little bit of that brown, which would be number 5. And I am going to actually cut my crease with a LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige GC 973. And I am going to take this really old BH Cosmetic brush, which is a concealer brush or eyeshadow brush, I can't even remember now. And I am going to cut the crease. I'm going to put some here. I'm going to open my eyes. I'm going to bring it down. And then that means that I did it at a good place. I'm just going to drag it forward and back up. That. Now after you do that, I'm gonna go with this Hard Candy palette again and the shade right here, which is called Serenity. I'm so sorry guys if I'm looking weird. That is that shade right there. Grab a Naked 3 brush, and that's how I'm gonna apply that shade. And I'm gonna pat it in. You can blend that part out. It looks harsh right now, but you know, it's okay. We're gonna go back with this brush and actually dip into Blaze, the color Blaze again, and the fluffy brush by e.l.f. This time I'm gonna put some more here, and we're gonna kind of bring it forward. So it gives us that kind of messy, not a lot of work type of color. I'm going to go back into the Rose in the Air palette and go back with the first shade that we used, which was the mauve color up here. And my same fluffy brush by Daily Tools. And I'm going to grab some product. And now I'm gonna blend it out all over just to make sure I got some. But I'm not gonna use eyeliner, I'm gonna use a black eyeshadow. And then I went in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. And then I used the color Noir, which is this black shade right here, and I use that to make my eyeliner. As you guys can see, I have like a little wing. After that, I went in with my Miss 3D lashes. These are silk lashes, and these are not even the one. It was MS05. Sorry, these are the ones I'm wearing right now, and this is the finished eye look. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful night. I'll see you guys next time. I hope you guys enjoyed my look.